Welcome back. Now, Jasper is designed to do some functions that may be more difficult to do manually. For example, there are marketing elements such as unique value or unique selling propositions. We can click on Unique Value Proposition to determine if Jasper can write a unique value proposition or set of unique value propositions for us. Now, as is the case with every template, we need a product description and we need a tone of voice. You can then decide which tone of voice you want to write once you have written in your product description. Once you have written in your answers, you can determine how many outputs you're going to want for this particular area. Once you do that, you'll then want to click Generate. And then Jasper will come up with your unique value propositions. And so as always, you can downvote the ones that you don't find as helpful, and you can upvote the one that you do find is helpful. And again, you're helping Jasper to create better content in the future. Once you have the information that you want, you can then copy it, and you can then place the information inside of your favorite word processing software. If you have boss mode, you can open up your unique value proposition inside of the documents. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.